Hello student, today we are going to do the subtraction of 16-bit number. Then for that just go to project and make it new. A project name subtraction of 16-bit, what we have project directory. Now if you see, make that as a subtraction 16-bit. This is what we are doing to and make it okay. Now which microcontroller? 89889C51. This is 889C51 and make it okay. Now initialize. Now this is what we are going to, here we are going to write it, subtraction 16-bit number. Now what we are going to do, we are going to, now let me first clarify what we are going to do. We are going to take data in this R3 and R3 R5. This is an R4 R6. This is R3 R2, that it is holding 000 and this will be holding FF. We are just taking these two data first, means we are subtracting directly the higher bit number from the lower bit. Or we can also take a simple example also. Suppose we are going to take 0503 and we are going to subtract with a 02 and 01, or you can take this is the done we are going to do. And here we are going to show this is in R3, this in R5, this value in R4 and this value in R5 we are going to do. And after doing all this operation we are going to get the result. The lower byte we are going to store in R1 and the higher we are going to store in R1 and the higher byte in R0, and this will be in R. This accumulator content we are going to do in this way, and we are going to move this carry bit to 00H position. This carry bit will be shown in 00H position, and we can define one more resistance R2 so that the carry bit will be taken care. What we are going to do it. Now let us write the program. Now if I write, I'm just going to do the move operation. Move R3 comma, I'm going to move 03H, and this will be hash, otherwise it will be taking the memory. And I'm moving R4 with what number I'm moving. This is the first number we have taken, 0503H, and then move R4. This is R3 R5. Now I'm going to move R5 with 05 05 at, and I have mistakenly done the R4, it was 01, and move R6 with 02, R6 with 02 H, put H and put hash comma here. This is the number we have taken. The number will be our this is the number R5 and R3. This is the number that we have taken, R5 R3, and the R6 R4 we have taken the second number. Now for doing the operation, now for performing the operation, what we are going to do, we are first make the clear bit, clear the carry bit, and then move the first number, this R3. I'm going to move this R3 to, I'm going to move this R3 to A, sorry, A with R3, A R3, and I'm going to apply the subtraction sub A comma, which number? This is R3, the second number will be R4. This is the subtraction we are going to do. Now after doing the subtraction, because we are subtracting the lower byte from the lower byte. Now after doing the subtraction, now then what we are going to do, we are going to check the carry part that we have done in the 8 bit. Now JNC move ahead 1. This is what. If there is no carry, then we will complement that number. If there is carry, then we are going to complement that number, then add a bit as 0 1 h. We are going to do this one, and after adding this one we are going to move ahead 1. This is what we are going to, after doing ahead 1, we are just going to enter this one, and what we are going to move, where we are going moving the lower part to R1. Now move A to R1. This is we have done. This is the first lower byte of subtraction we have done. Now for the higher byte subtraction, what we are going to do, we are going to just move your second byte of data, which is the second. Now let me first write, move your second byte of data to accumulator, which is second byte of data means I am moving R5 to accumulator R5, and then again put your subtraction command. What it will do, it is going to subtract A with the R6. This is R6. The subtraction will be done. Again, when there is a subtraction, this subtraction will be subtracting this number also, and whatever the carry that we have generated from the lower bit, that will also will be subtracted. Now after this subtraction, the same thing we are going to do. We are going to see uh, 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 where the carry is generated or not, JNC, and we are going to mark this level as ahead 2. Now ahead 1 has been taken here, now ahead 2 I have taken. Now what we need to do, again the complement A, and then add A with 0 1 H, and after doing this addition, complement and addition, now we need to go to ahead. Now before here, you need to store the carry part, with carry part to 00 h position. 00 h position I am going to store my carry, and after doing this one adding, I am just going to give the level ahead 2, and in an ahead 2 I am just going to move my number, whatever number, to R0 A, and I am going to in my program. This is what I have written this program. Now if I go explaining this whole program, now let us first understand the program that we have written. This is what we have done. Now let me first go to the portion where we have left. From here we have started. Now what we have done, we have first initialized R3 with 03, R5 with 05. This is the first data, means first data is 0503, and the second data we are 01 R4 and 02. This is the subtraction we are going to do, and here it will be 02, and here it is going to 03 and 02, that we are going to get result, and our carry will be 0. This is what the operation microcontroller will be doing with this program. Now after that I have made our clear 0 and normal R3 to A, and then we have done the subtraction operation with the R4, and after doing the subtraction, then we will see whether carry is generated or not. Once the carry is generated, then we are going to complement, we are, and then add, we are going to do 2's complement, otherwise it is going to move here. After doing this one, you see I have done the operation of the second bit. Now let me erase this one. The second bit I have done. I've taken the second bit here to A, and from R6 I have subtracted this C. From R6 I have subtracted R6 from R5, this command, and then I have applied same. And before here, one more thing more thing I have done. I have moved my carry result, the last carry, to 00H. Here it will be 1H. I have made some mistake. Now let me clarify that mistake. This will be 1H that I have moved, and I have added 1 to make it complement, and lastly I have moved my data to R0. This will be higher byte. Now let me erase all this point and let us run this. Now I am running this program. Now for running you need to simulate, compile it. Yes, you just need to give the name subtraction of 16 bit. Now first remove this untitled subtraction of 16 bit. This is the subtraction of the 16 bit has been done. Now run this. Now after running, now if you see what I have done, I have result that we got it. Now let us check the result. This is the number that we have put, 0503. This is the number we have taken, 02 and 02. This is the second number, and the result we have got 03 and 03. This is the result that we needed, and there is no carry that was expected. Now if I change my number, now let us see after changing the number. Now what I am doing, I am just changing my number. Now let us change. I am making this as a 1. Now let us make, I am just reversing my number and we are seeing this what will be our value. Now this is, I am making R3 as a 0 1. So R4 I need to make 0 1. R4 I am making as a 0 3, and this time I am making R5 0 2, and this as a R6 as a normal 0 5. Means this time what I am going to do, now let me explain. This time I am going to just do the opposite. I have taken the number 0 2 0 1 and 0 5 0 3. Now if you do the subtraction, the minus sign will come and we must get 0 3 and 0 2. This is we must get. Now let us see, and carry will be generated. Let us see it is being done or not. Now let us first compile this one on, then run. Now if I run this one, now see, now how perfectly we got the data that we have taken. Now let me take the data that we have taken. This is 0 to first byte, and this is the second byte of first data. The first byte, now higher bit is this, and the second byte is 03. Now what is the result? 03 and 02 that we must get, and the carry got generated here. And this carry can be also be seen from here. If you want to see the carry, go to virtual sim, show bit area. See, this has been green. This value is green. It means our carry bit got set. It means the result is negative that we wanted. Now suppose we are deleting all this one. Now let me delete. Now I am taking any other data. Suppose I am taking this as a first number as a, now let me see, first number as a, any number you want to take. Now I am taking the first number as a 0305, and the second number I am taking the maximum number FF, and it is FF. Now we are subtracting this. Now let us go to calculator and check what we are getting. Now the first number is our 0503 no, let me first convert to hexadecimal, and first number is 0503. The first number has been taken and put the subtraction sign. A second number is 4F F F F F. Now make it equal this is minus FAFC we are getting. Now let us write that value minus FAFC. This is the result we get. It means the carry will be 1 and we must get this as a R0 as a FA and R1 as a FC. That we must check it. Now let me go here, go to simulator, and I am running this one. Now I have changed the number. Now again I need to compile the data, recompile. Compilation has failed. See 0, this is FF has not been taken. Why? We need to put here, okay, we need to put 0 because it won't take the alphabet first. We need to, if you want to give FF, you need to press 0 over here. Now if I run, now it has run, and now it has compiled. Now I am going to run it. Now after running it, now let us see the number that we got it. Now if you see the number, this is your FA and this is your FC. Now if you want to see the number, see this is your FA and this is your FC. Now let me write number FA, this R0. See here R0 is also having FA and R1 is having FC. The same, this is the same value because this is the destination of R0 and R1, FA and FC. This is the result we got, and we are seeing the carry is also 0 1, and that we can check from here. Now if I go to virtual and so bit area, here also we can check the carries one. So this is all about your subtraction of two 16-bit numbers.